Okay.
Kids.
We're gonna go with C.
Mr. Manning. Mr. Manning.
Down there.
You're late.
What?
Huh?
You're late.
I told him I'm going to be at ETA for running late. I didn't just show up late. I told everyone I'm running late.
Where's the man hug? I thought you guys were gonna have a man hug.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Okay. That's okay. He can talk like that because his wife is right here.
Russell, you get my text?
Yeah.
Steven?
You're here at 4:15?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
got
I was. I was actually at 4:14.
What is he trying to say, Russell?
I said I was still late, but everyone, the main characters knew that I was. I'm sorry, you were the main character.
I didn't get that. Y'all, Newton said he's with the comments, so no cornhole.
No cornhole?
What happened?
Whoever can stand on Russell's shoulder, I will give $1. I mean, you have to stand on his shoulder though.
Well, I had a feeling that video.
And
Video?
if he says no, disregard his no.
Yeah, like.
That's Serena in the background. Just in case you guys want to know.
Serena, your daddy is in the grass. Oh, you like asking them to the grass though? No. He's making it so it's going
Twice as strong as the other one.
Oh, that's gonna go higher and longer?
That's the idea, anyway. Who knows what it will actually do?
Maybe it'll go into space and it'll never come down until
I would dig on that more than you could possibly
couple
know.
minutes, and then it will fall in your head and teach you. Nathan.
I was like, yeah, I thought.
Did you know that union labor is...
Hey!
I know, it's like.
I
Wait
told
for
you
him to
to
take
stop.
a smoke break right now.
Yep.
No one else can touch it because it's union.
Yes.
Oh,
This is union labor at work right now.
Yeah, something strange happening towards the end.
And this is management standing around making sure union labor is working.
So I'm not going to leave you guys there. And Robert's there. I'm not stick it out.
The Italian. I know what he'll do.
Yes. There's the Italian.
But I was just trying to read when he's like, that's not comfortable. It's like, arm or not.
They don't touch.
Is that on purpose?
Oh, wait, corporate management is in here now.
I was going to ask you today. It's like,
Look how it burned the
basement. You know, right? It's like until 2 in the morning.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Stand by Mrs. Manning and keep her safe.
You got to make sure no one sabotages this.
And if you're hungry,
Sabotage.
Oh, you know, now's not the time.
Nobody sabotage it.
No one sabotage it.
Nobody sabotage it.
Okay.
Everybody back up.
All right. We need someone to look at the capsule, and the other one to look at the fuselage.
No, it's all going to come down together.
Oh, it's not gonna open up. Okay. All right.
Alrighty, everybody back up.
I'm ready to
What? Charlie. Charlie. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look up. Oh.
Come on, break apart. There we go. Give me some parachute. Where's it going? Where's it going?
on it.